Hi, Matt Byer of Matt Byer Organizing with Downsizing Step 6, Declutter the Attic. I know, the thought of decluttering the attic can be scary. There are years of accumulation and memories. But because we're doing this step by step, the attic will be manageable. Just as you can't empty a sink without a system of pipes below, you can't empty an attic without a system of exit zones below. That system of exit zones includes the discard and donate zones in the garage and the sell zone in the basement, which we covered in steps 4 and 5. One thing I've learned in getting organized is that you can't organize a mess in a mess. You need room to sort, review, and process. This is especially true in the attic, where it is cramped, dark, dusty, and either very hot or very cold. So choose a bedroom or another open space in the floor below. It's all heading down anyway. Maybe temporarily clear out chairs and any other small items sitting on the floor so you have room to work. Remove pillows from the bed and cover it with a sheet of plastic. This not only protects the bed from attic dust, but creates extra processing surface. Again, use the zone signs from step 4 to make the reviewing process run smoothly. As you have items brought down from the attic, set them in the review zone, but don't completely fill up your processing room. Remember, creating room to process was the whole point. Sort out the items between discard, donate, sell, and keep. Then move them downstairs to the garage and basement to move the process forward. Now you can bring some more items down from the attic, reload the review zone, and progress can continue. Of course, if it's a particularly big attic and you need help getting things out, we'd be happy to help. There is one subcategory of keep items that you may want to keep in your attic for now. The attic is the perfect place to temporarily hold sentimental and decorative items that you may want to keep for your next home, but won't show well when you list your house for the market. For example, unconventional or religious artwork, personal framed family photos, and excess tchotchkes, wall hangings, and decor. The one exception is boxes of photos in a hot attic for an extended period of time. The heat can damage them, so maybe they go in the keep to move items in the cooler basement. In downsizing step 7, we will move on to the living spaces. As you go throughout your house decluttering, remember, if you are not discarding, donating, or selling, but an item won't show well in your listing photos, maybe store it in the attic. We'll cover more on living spaces next time. Thanks for watching.